So solve the following inequality and display the solution set on the given number line. No bother. So you bring the 5 over the other side and you get 3x less than 7 plus 5. Shh. That's 3x less than 7 plus 5 is 3x less than 12. Divide both sides by 3. 12 divided by 3. X is smaller than. Now, n means natural numbers bigger than 0. So you have to do full dots, and they all have to be smaller than 4 and bigger than 0. So there are your 3 dots there. Is that all right? There you said. Now, factorize fully the following. Okay. We can take out C and 2. So you take out C, and you can also take out 3, because 3 divides into 6, and it also divides into 3. And what's left over is 3 times what gives you 6? 2. 2x. There we go. 3 times what gives you minus 3bc? Minus b. Multiply it back out. 3c by 2x. 6cx. 3c by b. 3bc. Now we look at the next one, and I think we could take out 2d, could we? We could take out the letter d because it's in both of them. And we could take out the number 2. What do we have left here? 2x minus b. Now that we know that the bracket is the same in both of them, what can we do here? 3c plus and another 2x minus b. Yes, sir. You okay? Part C. To the second years revising this at home, this will not be on your Christmas test. All right. So, x cubed minus 3x squared minus 13x minus 6, all divided by x plus 2. Divided in x cubed divided by x squared. Divide, multiply, subtract, drop. Multiply next. X squared by x cubed. X squared by 2, 2x squared. Subtract. If it's plus, change it to a minus, and if it's minus, change it to a plus. Minus 3 minus 2, minus 5x squared. Drop. How do I drop? Minus 13x. Minus 5x squared divided by x squared. Minus 5x. Division is done. Multiply. Minus 5x by x. Minus 5x squared. Minus 5x by 2. Minus 10x. Now, lads, add downwards. Change the signs. So anything that's a minus is now a plus. Minus 5 plus 5 cancels. Minus 13 plus 10. Drop to 6. Minus 6. Divide. So how do you divide minus 3x by x? What you get? Minus 3. Multiply it back out again. Minus 3 by x minus 3x. Minus 3 by minus 2 is minus 6. Double, take it away. Both change to a plus. You end up with 0. The answer to this question is x squared minus 5x plus. Now, 1x squared minus 4 plus 8. Okay. Let's do a equals 1, b equals minus 4, minus b equals plus 4, and c equals minus 8. Then we're going to do the minus b formula. Is everybody all right with that? Okay. You're going to get 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times minus 8 all over 2 times 1. We'd hope that you take out a calculator. Now, 4 plus minus 4 squared is 4 times 1 times minus 8. All over 2 times what? 1. First answer, 2 plus 2 root 3. Second answer, lads, why am I putting it as a decimal? Why didn't I put it as a decimal answer? Huh? Ask for it like this, where A and B are natural numbers. Okay? Now look at this. Do you see the numbers are in the wrong order? You looking, Sean? Now, alright, lads, look at 6, 2. 6 is 3 times bigger than 2, isn't it? And 9 is 3 times bigger than 3. So here's what I suggest we do. We do 6xy minus 2x, but then we do minus 9zy plus 3z. You see the way we change the order? Now, it should match up. What can I take out of two of these? 2 and x. 2x multiplied by what gives you 6x? 3. And then don't forget about the y. And then the minus 1. If we do this correctly, what way do both brackets have to work? It should be 3y minus 1 as well. What multiplies by 3y to give you minus 9zy? Minus 3z, yeah. Cool. Lads, can you focus on what we're doing here? And what's the answer? And? Okay. The next one. Okay. Lads, look at this. They're both divisible by 3. Hey. They're both divisible by 3. So you get 3 into what? X squared minus 16. And as we all know, the difference of two squares. What happens when you do the difference of two squares here? What you get? 3 into x plus 4 and x minus 4. The difference of two squares. You have to keep the 3 as well. All right. Next way. Next method. Are you ready? Factorize this. 6 times minus 5. What you get? Minus 30. And then, what two numbers multiply to give you minus 30 but add to give you plus 7? Minus 3 and plus 10. 6x squared minus 3x plus 10x minus 5. What can I factorize out the front to? 3x into 2x minus 1. Then after that, and then when you put them all in, 3x plus 5 and 2x minus 1. Secondary method for doing this, for those who don't like it, right? A is 6, B is 7, minus B is minus 7. You'll be doing well to listen, okay? Now I'm going to put this into the minus B formula, all right? And I'll show you a secondary way to get the full marks. Minus 7 plus. This is for people who really don't like factorizing. Factorizing is not your friend. And here is a secondary approach to this type of question. Now, you're going to notice two answers, okay? The first answer, whoa, I made a mistake. What was it? What did I change A to? Oh, A is 6, is it? Thanks, Guy. Now lads, look at this. It's a half, isn't it? See, Cormac, listen up. X equals a half. Okay? And then the other answer is x equals. So most of us are very comfortable with the minus b, but you wouldn't necessarily be that comfortable to factorizing. Am I correct in that? Okay. Now look at this. Here's how you go backwards. Are you ready? See the 2. See the 2? It's division on the right. What would be on the left? 2x equals 1. What about the other side? Bring up the 3. Minus. Bring the 1. No, bring the 1 to the left and the minus 5 to the left. And what do we get then? 2x minus 1 and 3x plus. And they both equal 0. And guess what happens to these two? These two are actually the brackets to the factorized answer. So you could just wrap them in a bracket like so, and you're done. And that is the